How to copy and share TikTok profile link URL. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to share your TikTok profile link to others? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, open our TikTok app and then go to your profile on the bottom right. Now, go ahead and tap on the three lines on the top right and tap on settings and privacy. Now here you'll see the share profile option, tap on it. Now you'll see copy link option right there. You can tap on it and then the link has been copied and you can go paste it to anyone's chat. However, there's also another option. If you tap on share profile, you can directly share it to TikTok, Messenger, WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram Direct, Viber, Snapchat, Telegram, and many other apps. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.